Objective and use case. What you'll build: a Raspberry Pi-based lab power supply monitor that reads current bus voltage and power from an INA 2.59 over I2C and prints a live stream in near real time. You can also log samples to CSV for later analysis of load spikes, idle draw, and power stability. Why it matters divided by use cases. Verify how much current a prototype board actually draws, for example, confirming a sensor node stays near 180 mAh instead of exceeding a 250 mAh budget. Catch startup and transient events by sampling repeatedly over I2C, such as a motor or radio burst, briefly pushing current from 80 mAh to 600 mAh. Estimate power consumption directly from voltage and current. Useful for checking whether a 5 volts rail is delivering about 2.5 watts under load. Log readings to CSV for troubleshooting, comparisons between firmware versions, or documenting bench tests with sub-second latency and very low Raspberry Pi CPU divided by GPU load. Audience makers, students, and lab users monitoring low-voltage DC projects. Level, basics.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.